To sell your services on TaskRabbit. Create an account on the TaskRabbit website or mobile app and complete your profile by providing information about yourself, skills, and services you offer. Depending on your location and services offered, you may need to undergo a background check. Determine your pricing for different services based on factors like time, complexity, and demand. Create listings for the services you offer, including detailed descriptions and pricing. Share your TaskRabbit profile on social media or other platforms to attract potential clients. Monitor your TaskRabbit inbox for service requests from clients and respond promptly. Communicate with clients to understand their needs, provide estimates, and schedule appointments. Provide excellent service to clients, ensuring their satisfaction and positive reviews. TaskRabbit handles payment from clients, and you receive payments once the task is completed. By following these steps, you can effectively sell your services on TaskRabbit and grow your client base. Thank you for learning how to sell your services on TaskRabbit with us. Start offering your skills and expertise to clients in your area today. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.